Hello students, welcome to the first year class of Journal English. In our first class, we will have an introduction of the syllabus, what we are going to read and for how many marks. First thing, Journal English is common for BA, BSc, BCom and BBM. The syllabus is divided in two sections. First section of Emerald, a literary text. To tell you the meaning of emerald, it's a bright green gemstone standing for truth and love. The section 2 is of grammar. It has been divided like grammar. Fill in the blanks type questions will be there, total of 10 marks from the grammar units, determiner, tenses, auxiliaries, prepositions, basic sentence patterns. Individually the question will be of 2 and 2.5 marks. Choice will be there. Then in part B you have to do the transformation of sentences. Active, passive, direct, indirect, simple to complex. Total they will be of 10 marks. Individually the question will be of 2 and 2.5 marks. Choice will be there. Then comprehension comes under part C. It will be question number 3. It will be of total 10 marks. One unseen paragraph is there and mostly 5 questions are there. The syllabus of grammar section is such that whatever competitive exam you take, from clerical to RAS, IAS, the syllabus remains the same. The basic grammar units and the composition is the same in every competitive exams where Journal English is taken. Then you have to write composition. It comes under part D, like précis. This précis is of 5 marks. Mostly it is of the same unseen passage of which you have question number, that in a comprehension which you are seeing unseen passage, mostly you have to make the précis of this same para of 5 marks. Then you have to write a paragraph of 10 marks on contemporary social issues or some philosophical one like excessive use of social media, environment awareness or time management. Then you have to write a letter. This is of 5 marks. Formal or informal letter is there. Choice is there. Then you have to write a report, mostly about events organized at college level or at a city level. It is of 10 marks. Then we have the Emerald text. It's divided into prose, poetry, one-act play. 4 sections are there. Beautiful prose pieces by Jagdish Joshi, Abdul Kalam, Martin Luther King and Albert Einstein are there. 4 pieces are there. 1 comprehension para will be there from these prose pieces of 10 marks. Then we have short stories. 2 short stories are there. One by Russian story writer Leo Tolstoy, one of the greatest authors of all time. 3 questions by him. 3 questions. The other story is Nachiketa from Kathopanishad, one of the most popular Upanishads. Then we have one-act play Never Never Nest by Kedrick Mount, which is a pen name of Sydney Box, British author. Besides this, beautiful poetry is there by Tagore, Donne and Swami Vivekanand. Hope you will enjoy reading these contents. A sample question paper I will send you in PDF form in the class group. In the next session, we will practice exercises from the grammar unit. For the time being, thank you.